Alright, so I've been hearing from a lot of you that you want your character to move when you tilt your iPad. So you can go surfing, snowboarding, or maybe even flying through outer space, all without leaving the comfort of your room. Well, let's learn how. So you're in the editor. Let's tap on that gray plus button in the top right corner, and this is your character menu. And let's grab any character you want. I'm going to grab Parrot and drag him onto the screen. And let's add a new rule. Let's pick when the play button is tapped, which just means that this will happen when the project starts. So in this rule, we want to teach Parrot to move left or right. So in order to move, let's go to the Movement tab, which is red, and let's pull out Change X By. And Change X just means moving a character left or right across the screen. And now we don't want to just put some random number in here. We want to change X by however much the iPad is tilted left or right. And so to do that, we have to go to Values, which is to the right of Calculator. So tap on Values. And then you see this gray arrow next to your character. Tap on that, and now you're in the iPad's values, and we want to find tilt right %. And so now what this block means is that Parrot will move right depending on how tilted to the right your iPad is. So let's see what happens. Parrot moved a little bit once. So we need to fix something here because we want Parrot to move all the time. And to do that, we're going to go down to Control Flow, which is the blue tab, and pull out Repeat Forever. Now this is a loop, and if we put our block inside that loop, so have Change X inside the Repeat Forever, see what happens now. You can tilt right and left. Okay, cool. So let's go back to Edit. And let's get out of this rule, and you can escape a rule by either tapping on the X in this left corner, or by tapping outside the rule itself. So now let's add a new rule. And let's pick the same when, which is when the play button is tapped. So now in this rule, we want to be able to move Parrot up or down based on how high up or down the iPad is tilted. So this is a movement thing, so let's go to Movement and pull out a Change Y block. And Change Y determines how high or low a character moves. So for the number, let's go to Values, tap on that gray arrow next to Parrot, and find Tilt Down %. Press check. And now let's repeat forever. Don't forget that part. So go to Control Flow, pull out a Repeat Forever, and let's drag this block inside that loop. So it's important to note this is the same when as the other rule, which means these two rules will happen at the same time. So as you're tilting left and right, your Parrot will move left and right. If you're tilting up and down, your character will move up and down, and this will all happen at the same time. So let's see what it looks like. So now you know how to move characters by tilting your iPad, and I can't wait to see the amazing projects you'll all make now with this super neat trick. Okay, bye!